City.
There's a way for a better health of the family.
Other than our medical center chief, Dr. Agustin Agos Jr. Give a thunder of applause.
Every doctor must behave as a family doctor to its Filipino family.
Traffic. Okay, deadlines. Work. Diba? Being that us human beings experience in response to different situations. Minsan pa nali, may tagdi lang kay ako. No, kay para nag-time-based. Wala, may okay.
Feelings and emotions that we can track, that can be kind. It's more than just happy, sad, angry. Because sometimes you can feel a combination. So it's very important that leadership, no? If you are a leader in your department, it does not have to be at the highest level, but if you are a leader in some ways in your department, we emphasize that wellness, mental health not matters. No?
Been a yearly activity of the department, and I'm happy to see new faces. And siguro this activity will not be a success without our dear residents. These are the members, these are the family members. I would like to give my thanks to the head of the one who oversees this activity. I know she's not here right now, si Dr. Marisa Dos Santos, our dear speakers, who I was telling Dr. that's kind of one actual stuff. I would like to say thank you once again. Thank you for gracing and for us your expertise.